How to pin Google Gemini to the Windows Taskbar. If you want quick one-click access to Google Gemini on your Windows PC, this video will show you how to install Gemini as an app and pin it to your taskbar. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to gemini.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Now, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Select Save and Share, then click Install Pages app. A confirmation window will appear. Click Install to install Google Gemini as a desktop app. Once installed, Gemini will open in its own application window. Now, look at your Windows taskbar and find the Gemini icon. Right-click the icon and select Pin to Taskbar. On Windows 11, you may need to click Show More Options first. Gemini is now pinned to your taskbar, so you can launch it with a single click whenever you need it. If you change your mind, simply right-click the Gemini icon and select Unpin from Taskbar. That's how you can pin Google Gemini to the Windows taskbar for quick access. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more Windows and AI tutorials.